give me what I wanna. Big time a stunner, I'm out here on the come up. I beat the pussy drummer, I roll up no more drama.
I been looking for you, baby. You know that a nigga wavy. And if you know all that you need me for, you the one that I want in the club. After all, don't you see this soul?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just Bria'Na. If you don't know, sis, come on now, you know, get with the program. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button and make sure you join our family. So in today's video, as you can already see by the title and the intro, we are doing another hair tutorial. Today we are going to be doing a bomb, sleek, long, curly, popping ponytail, okay? So let's just get right into it. As for the first step, I'm just going to be sectioning off my hair with my red tail comb, and then I'm going to put the rest of my hair up into a high pony. Once I do that, I'm going to get my wide tooth detangling comb, and I'm just going to comb out that section just to make sure we don't have any tangles or knots. Once I'm done that, of course, I'm going to get some gel, and today we'll be using the Eco Professional Styling Gel to smooth our hair, okay? We want a sleek pony, sis. And then I'm also going to spray my hair with some Curls Daughter leave-in conditioner, the black vanilla one, because this joint smells bomb and it's been making my hair grow. So yeah, once we have all that done, I'm just going to take my red tail comb again and sleek my hair down. So as I continue sectioning out my hair, I want to make sure that I detangle every single part because it ensures that my ponytail is sleek in the end. Also, as my ponytail gets thicker and I add more hair, I like to take the Garnier Fructis style curl construct creation mousse. Oh my god, that was a long title. And I put that all over my hair because this makes sure that my hair holds throughout the day, throughout the night, and to make sure everything stays together. So as you guys can see, this tutorial is very self-explanatory. So I'm just going to let y'all sit back, relax, and watch the rest of the process. But before this video is over, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and make sure you click on the notifications bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. Also, while you're at it, be sure to follow me on all my social medias. You know, that's where I have y'all take part in polls and whatnot. Also, I'm having a giveaway for my 500 subscribers very, very soon. So make sure you enter in that. So now that I've managed to tame most of my hair, I'm going to perfect my parts, my side part, before I put all of my hair into the ponytail. So I'm just going to do that by putting a little bit of Eco on my scalp and getting my red tail comb, and I'm going to make the side part. So after I get my side part and I put all of my hair and gather everything into a low ponytail, I'm going to style my edges. I'm still using Eco, and I'm just going to use this little edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store, I think for like $3. And yeah, I'm just going to lay my baby hairs. Okay, boom, edges done, laid to the gods. So now we're going to lay everything down with this satin Cream of Nature scarf while I am putting the rest of the ponytail into a plait. This is going to be what's underneath the weave or the extensions or, you know, the Brazilian bundles, you feel me? So, yeah. And I'm also going to secure my plait with a rubber band. Okay, so this is what you should have. This is how your hair should be looking. And now we're going to get the Got To Be Free spray. We're going to spray all over our hair to make sure everything is sealed in place. And then we're going to get the blow dryer. We're going to blow dry our hair on cool air, low temp, just to make sure everything is sealed and locked into place. Okay, now we're going to take these wrap-it strips, all you need is one, and we're just going to wrap it around our braid to protect our hair because we're going to use hair glue in a second. So what you're going to do is take some Got To Be Free spray so it can stick to the wrapping paper, and you're just going to wrap this all around your hair to make sure that you protect your natural hair in this protective style. And I do want to take the time to apologize for this piss poor ass angle. Like, my arm is in the way and you can barely see what I'm doing. But, you know, just hang in there, okay? Just hang in there, girl. So now it's time to add the hair. These bundles are from Eunice, Brazilian 22 inches, I believe, body wave. If they look a little stringy, it's because I recently washed and conditioned them and they are like 70% dry right now. So yeah. So in order to create our ponytail, all we're going to do is wrap the hair around our plait upwards, okay? How we're going to make the hair stick is we're going to use some hair glue on the bundle wefts to make sure that the hair is secure. And then we're going to take our blow dryer on high heat and high tip to make sure everything is locked into place. You're going to continuously do this. I'm just going to let y'all watch as I move up. Alright, so fast forward a little bit, the ponytail is all done and I'm loving the length and the thickness that it has. So now we're going to make it look a little bit more natural by wrapping some of the hair at the top of the ponytail so it looks like it's actually coming out of my head. So what I'm going to do is take a section from the back of the ponytail, comb that part out, and wrap it around the beginning of the ponytail, like where my band is. And I'm going to be spraying it with the Got To Be Free spray, and then I'm going to seal that in with the blow dryer. I didn't do such a hot job at this, because I really could not see the back of my head. I didn't have both of my mirrors this time, but do it to the best of your ability and just make sure that you like it, okay? So if you wanted the simple, sleek, straight pony look, then here is where you would stop. I would probably just put a little bit of heat protectant in my hair and go through it with my flat iron, but instead I wanted a curly pony. So I'll be using the curling wand that I got from Ulta. I'll be setting it to 410 degrees, and I'm just going to go through all the hair and wand every single piece. Now I'm just going to spray it with some freeze spray for extra hold, and then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and comb out the curls, excusez-moi, to make them a little bit more fluffy and just to make it look a little bit more natural. And yeah, that really wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more hair tutorials, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.